Ding dong. Hello.
How you doing, Joe? My name's TJ from Boston Standard.
Hey TJ, nice to meet you.
What made you call us out today?
Well, right now we got a problem with the heat in our house. It was really a good cold snap that came in this week, and it just stopped working. And I don't know, we are freezing our patootie off in this house. It is cold in here.
I understand. So, are we just checking it out? Are we not doing any work today? Or?
No, I got to get this thing fixed, TJ. I took off work, and I got to get this thing fixed. It's really important.
So, just so I understand, we would get this fixed.
What are we doing?
What are we doing today?
I want to get it fixed.
All right.
I mean, the reason I gotta get it fixed, I'm so serious about it. My wife works at the emergency room at the hospital, and I go to travel. I travel tomorrow to go on the road for a week. I'm gonna leave behind Wyatt and Aaron, my daughter, who's got eczema, and my son's got asthma. He's got asthma, and if he gets like a bronchitis or something like that, it could be life-threatening. So I just want to make sure my two children, Karen and Wyatt, are taken care of, and it's just so important that this works right for them. I can't go on the road with, and I would be too much anxiety. I wouldn't be able to deal with it. You know what I'm saying?
I understand. Can I tell you something, Joe?
What's that, TJ?
I just want to tip my hat off to you, just for the sure of your children's health. I have 4 kids at home myself,
Yeah.
and I think after talking to you that I just want to make sure when my kids get older, I can
Yeah.
When I just want to make sure I know what's going on with my kids' health and be more of a father figure in them.
That's so nice of you to say that. That's so sweet of you.
I just want it from the bottom of my heart.
I would never have thought that from you.
Well,
Surprised
now I'm talking
me.
to you.
Well, thank you so much. You're the dad of the year. I learned a lot from you.
Thank you.
You want a cup of coffee or something?
I'll take a water if you have it.
Oh, perfect. You need to get hydrated.
Hey.
Otherwise, if you're not hydrated, you become dehydrated, okay?
Thanks, Joe. You're a funny guy.
Do that, okay? Let me get that for you. So here's the water here. Yeah, so here's the furnace right here. It's the Binford 2110i.
Alright, have previous anybody?
Yeah, we had Acme. Acme was my normal guy.
I heard they were actually a good company.
I wasn't too happy. I would say I damned them with faint praise. Let's put it that way. I wasn't too happy last time.
Why is that? What did they do?
I really don't want to get into it, TJ. It was kind of a personal issue. I'm a Christian man. I don't like talking bad about other people when they're not here. You know.
Off the record, Joe. It stays between us. If you can just let me know. I just don't want to make the same mistake they did, and I'll lose you as a customer.
Really?
Really, off the record.
Off the record? Well, here's what happened off the record. The guy was here last time, and all he kept doing is texting his girlfriend on the phone the entire time. And then he was laughing and giggling down in the basement, like, what's going on down there? He's like, oh, my girlfriend's showing me some videos of her we took last night together when we were together. You know, I'm like, what? He's like, you want to see these? I'm like, no, I'm good. He was just having a good old time. I thought that was just not appropriate. You know what I'm saying?
I'd be in the same position. Did you call the manager by any chance?
I did. I called the manager. He said, you know how young guys are, Joe. It's millennials are different. He goes, he's 59 years old. Like he goes, you and I are different. There's kids today. You can't do anything about that. That's just all the employees in our company are like that.
Wow.
I said, wow.
What about the owner? By any chance did they answer the phone?
He wouldn't even take my calls. I don't know. I think he was in some kind of he went to a seminar in San Antonio on how to sell people more money or something like that, as the secretary told me.
Alrighty. By any chance, why are you going to give them a second chance? Or what?
No. I'm not going to. I've decided to move on, and I'm not going to work with those guys anymore.
So you're squared away. You're not going to work with them?
Never. I've had enough of that, yeah.
Alrighty.
That's why I called you. Interesting how I go out with you guys, though.
How'd you hear about us, by the way?
That's a good question. I got you from a friend of mine. It was Laverne Nagel.
Laverne? Oh, nice lady.
She's my neighbor next door, yeah.
By any chance, what'd she say about her?
She said, you're really good people. She had a guy named Nick out here.
Yeah.
She said he was just a really nice guy. She said he's a little pie face. She said he's just a sweetie pie. She said he's sweeter than a pecan pie.
He is?
She said he is a little pie face. And I never met him before, but she said that he was a really nice gentleman. He knew how to tell me, gave me some options, and just a good company.
Can I ask you a question, Joe?
What's that?
Would you mind if I brought that back to Nick and just explained to him how much a good pie face kind of kid he is?
You tell him that?
I would.
Tell him that, okay? He's gonna love it. He's always got a little pecan pie face, okay?
I appreciate that.
You
Joe.
tell him that. It's nice. And That's so nice. Yeah, she would love it. She really loves your company. Laverne just thinks you guys are top notch.
So, by any chance, could I call her and I just want to thank her. It's good to know that we have a good name out there and people
Yeah, well,
respect
she's right
us.
next door. If you want to stop by after you're done,
I'll absolutely do that.
she'd love to see you guys. Actually, tell her to bring my rake back too, okay?
I'll let her know that. Thank you.
Okay, well, you want to take a look at this and tell me what we can do?
I would, yeah, absolutely.
So what'd you come up with, TJ? Something nice and easy? Some reset switch or duct tape or something like that? What are we going to do here?
Actually, Joe, it's a little worse than I thought.
Oh, no. What's the problem?
How much do you think?
No, hang on.
All right.
What's the problem?
So the problem is what's going on right now is your fuel ignition module is broken, which
We have an electrical fault in the
electrical fault in the module.
Oh, my God. That sounds terrible. I'll tell you it is, Joe.
I tell you, it is, Joe.
What can we do to fix it?
So what I would like to perform for you, I'll give you 3 options. It's going to be Premier, Pro, and Economy options that you go with. And then what we can do is
Just choose the one that's right for you.
choose the one that's right for you, and you can.
All right, go explain the top one.
So here's what I have, the Premium Plus option. It's a Joe Field Warm Ignition System repair. What we'll do is calibrate the gas valve to proper inches of water column. What that will do is for your wife Julie, so when she comes home she can feel warm, it's not gonna have an error code, so she doesn't have to run downstairs, or you for that matter. If you're out of town, she wouldn't have to clear
I
the
like
code.
it. I like that.
We also have, we're gonna replace the UV air filtration system. Now what that is gonna do is good for Wyatt because of his asthma. He'll be able to breathe freely when he's at night. Won't wake up.
That's good.
And also, we're gonna clear the debris out of the ignition chamber. What that's gonna do is just clear for the flame to roll down. No pressure switches or emergency switches will open up.
So get that all taken
Not-
care of. Get
I
that all
apologize,
turned
roll
out
switches.
there. Yeah.
Exactly, and that actually comes with a 10-year part warranty. So no write a check if anything happens within those 10 years, it's on us. How much do you think that would be?
Is there any kind of warranty or service on this?
Yeah, so that comes, I apologize, that comes with a 10-year warranty, plus it also increases, what is service
Service plan?
home protection plan, that is good also for 10 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
So we got 10, so they don't got to do a monthly thing, it's all for 10 years?
No, it's all for 10 years,
That sounds like it's going to be pricey.
but you can't guess.
10 grand? 10 years, probably $1,000 a year for all that.
Double that, actually.
$20,000? How much is it? Come on.
I'm just kidding, Joe. Actually, it's
much?
right here. It's $975 for this Premier Plus option. Now, we do have some other options. I'd like to take a look at those, and you can pick what's right for you.
Holy crap. It's only $975?
That's it.
God, you're practically giving it to me.
And I forgot to come with that. That was
Sure, it's not a
Should add a
zero
zero on
there.
it.
couple of zeros.
Well, just so you know, you couldn't do 10 years of that, right, for $975?
I thought we're just using fake numbers, but
Oh, no, it's real numbers. Let's get a real number on that.
Is that a zero?
I'll just come up with a new price for you. How about if we said,
We'll just do the 20.
said $49.75? What's
your
that?
price and my price.
I'll just say it's
All right.
$49.75. $49.75?
$49.75. Now that carries a 10-year.
Don't explain it again. What should we do?
What should we do?
You're gonna talk yourself out of sales like that.
Well, I was still on the first option, right?
You did the whole thing. You explained everything to me.
All right. What
Did
should we
you?
do, Joe?
So you've already explained it. I didn't expect to spend $5,000 today, Jeremy. I'm sorry, TJ.
I understand that, but see, the thing with us, we are a high-quality service company, and it is an investment for now and the future. And what should we do?
Can I ask you just to email this to me and I'll give you a call later? And that?
You know what? Can we be honest about each other?
What's that?
This option is probably too expensive for you. We're probably just gonna get that out of it.
Well, don't say that. I like the top option.
You do like the top option. What should we do?
What do you like about that?
What do you like about that?
Well, it gives me the 10-year warranty, and you're gonna do that whole flame. I like the fact that you're clearing out all the flame, you know, the delivery system there, I like that.
Alrighty, what should we do?
You know, thinking my wife Julie's not here, you know what I'm saying? Her.
Now, is
It's
there
a lot of
any
my
way-
five large is a lot to spend without my wife here.
So if Julie was here, what do you think she would say?
She would go up to 20,000 one.
What should we do?
Oh, God. Can you do anything on the price? Like chop off 975, do it for $5,000 even?
I could do it for $5,000 even, but me doing that, I would have to cut corners, and me personally, with your family in mind and the safety is my number one priority, I just probably have to disqualify myself.
No, don't do that. I like that way.
So what should we do?
Will this get the heat back on today?
If I said it could, would you do it?
We just do it then.
All right. What should we do?
Let's get that one there. 49.75.
What should we do? Cash, check, or charge?
Can I use American Express?
If I said we could, what would you do?
We do that one.
Let's do it.
All right, nice job, TJ.